Good morning, guys. I just wanted to remind you to come to our Spring Mini Mayhem event at Busco Beach, April 13th and 14th. You got about 2 months to get your projects together. We already have 100 people saying they're either going or interested. You can find more information on our Facebook page. Looking forward to seeing you there. Yeah. What is going on, guys? I'm John.
I'm Isaac.
And we just got back from Florida because we went diving for the first time ever. It was a ton of fun. There's going to be a video on it on Ike's channel. Isaac, it'll be fine, right? Yeah. Anyway, we are back with part 5 of the Built 420cc golf cart build. So the main things we have left to do before we can get this inspected to be street legal are brakes, which we finally got brake parts in, so I think we're going to start with that, windshield, and seat belts. And Ike wants to upholster the seat.
All right, so John went online and got us some brake shoes for the golf cart. We don't know exactly what year this golf cart is, and we had to just kind of go by the looks of the brake shoes. So hopefully we ordered the right ones. Same issue with the cables. We had to go by what they look like. So hopefully we ordered the right ones for that, because there is no build date on this golf cart. It has been stripped. We also apparently have some nice Super Booster serum.
Super Booster serum? What is that for, dude? Oh, like your skin? How did that get in there? Dude, that's definitely like some kind of face wash.
Wait a minute. We got some moisturizing mask.
That's a face mask.
Yeah.
I'm going to keep that. Use that later. That's how I keep my good complexion.
Firming mask? What are these? Are these samples?
Yeah, they're face mask samples.
This is from your mom, dude.
Yeah, they are. Yeah.
She accidentally packed some of her stuff.
I do a face mask one time, and then all I get for Christmas and my birthday is freaking face masks. Anyway, so it seems like the brake cables are totally different for like almost every single year. Like there was an 85, 86, 87, 88.
If these parts are right,
yeah,
then it's going to be a 88, 89,
yeah,
I think. So, all right, let's get these things on.
Voila! Brakes. There's the other wheel. And now we can get the cotter pin out and get the castle nut off.
They spaced out
the wheels?
The wheels with
lock washers.
Lock washers?
Did they do it on the other side?
Or they didn't know what they were doing. No. Because there isn't anything on that side.
They didn't do it on the other side.
Why did they do that?
There we go.
Getting it. You got it, buddy.
Ayo.
All right. You know, the brakes don't look too bad on this side.
No.
But they do look like they might be a little thin right there.
Yeah.
But I really want to take that rack off.
Yeah.
What y'all don't understand is I already hit my head on that rack. And if I wasn't wearing my hat, I would probably be
in the ER
with getting stitches. Ooh, not that tight, dude.
No. Good riddance.
I feel better, thank you. It looks better.
Yeah, yeah. And you had a great idea this morning. Why don't we put a truck bed on the back that will fit a small go-kart with drawers for tools in it too?
Yeah.
That would be perfect because
like a utility box.
Yeah, exactly. Because we found out like right before we left to go on vacation that we actually are limited to 20 miles an hour on the street.
20 miles per hour. And you have to have as many seat belts as passengers.
Yeah.
So if we make it a 2-seater, we only have to come up with 2 sets of seat belts and not 4 or 5.
Whew.
It's a little loud. Bam. So I like matching up the brakes even before I take things apart. So I call this the ritual matchup. It looks pretty good, dude.
Sweet.
One thing I didn't know about these brakes is they have an automatic adjuster, which, look at that clean spot there.
Yep.
You can see the automatic adjuster has been working.
Safety glasses.
Safety glasses. There we go. It's also important to clean all of these moving parts and lube them up. There it is. Try not to get any grease on the gray surface here. Okay. Let's see if I can make this look easy. I'm going to hit this with a little bit of sandpaper, clean it up.
You never reuse cotter pins, right, Ike?
That's correct. Never.
So I just installed my new brake shoes, and I have the hub back on, got a new cotter pins, nice and tight. Ike has been working with reconverting our brake brackets to work with the original equipment styled brake cables here.
Yeah, this left side looks like it matches perfectly. You're doing the right side, so we'll find out in a few minutes if it's
Gonna work
or not.
Okay, so to install this new brake cable, there was an E-clip on the cable there. I had to take it off, and I have to compress the spring a little bit and pass the cable through so I can fit this end of the cable into the mounting point there. Oh, look at that. Here I go.
All right, good enough. Now you should be able to step on it and lock that.
Hey, we got a parking brake.
Yeah. And
Sweet. So the brakes are done and they probably work. We need to run out and have some lunch, find some seat belts, find windshield material, upholstery material, and grab some aftermarket Miata wheels. See if those things are gonna fit on here. Okay, so we just got to the auto parts store. We already ran to the Super Center and we got like 9 feet of black vinyl for covering the seat. And we're looking for a turn signal switch or something to allow us to have the brake lights on and the turn signal still flash at the same time. And here we are at Ike's house, well, in his garage. And we're looking for a Miata wheel. Right there. We're just going to grab one for testing purposes. This came off of Ike's 91 Miata that our buddy Taylor bought. He bought the wheels and tires, and they're sweet. Yeah, lightweight wheels and racing tires. Or, I mean, street legal tires, but they are a very expensive, aggressive, low tread wear tire. So we're back at the shop. We have a lot ahead of us today. We need to mount the seat belts, which came from a 64 Buick Skylark. We need to upholster our seat. We need to install that. But first, we are going to look and see how the Miata wheel looks on the golf cart, if it's going to fit.
all right, let's compare how much taller it is in the front.
It's definitely taller. Ooh, dude, that kind of looks good with the yellow. That actually might work. We just may not be able to steer. That looks awesome, dude.
Let's see.
Ooh, I don't know. The back spacing looks all wrong.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, we're already up against the leaf spring.
I was afraid of that.
That was the coolest 5 minutes in Cars and Cameras history.
So do these poke? They must poke more.
Yeah, they probably poke, dude.
They do. Jeez.
We're going to mount part of the seat belt right where Ike drilled the hole, and it goes through the body, but it also goes through this stronger angle iron back here, so that if we were to crash into something, which, hopefully we won't, it'll be all connected to this angle iron and not just the flimsy body.
Right.
But we're not going to crash into
But
anything.
if we crash that bad, I don't know if I'd want to be stuck in this thing.
So it looks like this belt's going to work.
Good.
We're going to have to tighten it way up, but it'll be okay. We'll just mount the middles.
Got it.
Yeah. There we go. And that should be it.
Why don't you try it out?
Works for me.
All right, I gotta ask. Do you feel safe?
No. Frankly, not really.
Do you feel safer without the seatbelt?
I mean, I don't know, dude. We can only go 20 miles an hour, right?
Yeah, we can only go 20 miles per hour.
So for the seat cushion, we're going to be using a camping pad. It's really thin, but we doubled it up. And Ike, what do you say?
I don't feel any difference.
Yeah.
Doubling up, folding it over and sitting on it. Calling it.
I had to make a quick run to the store to grab some more staples, and then I finished up the foam for our seat. So check it out. Not too bad, not too bad. And Ike has been working on the turn signal brake switch module thing.
What's happening is when I hit the brakes with the turn signals on, the turn signals stop.
We just get solid brakes.
We just got solid brakes.
Yeah.
And once I let off the brake, the turn signal goes.
Okay.
Well, we can't have that. We got to have a turn signal going when we hit the brake.
Right.
You know, so installing this little electronic taillight converter, and that should solve all of our problems.
Cool.
Yeah. So we have John the upholsterer here.
That's right. Ike's been working on the electronics, and I've been doing the upholstery. Yeah, the foam's done. I'm just pulling the black vinyl type, or I guess it is vinyl, it's faux leather. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out and staple it, and we'll have a seat. So we're having to cut an X in the vinyl there, so we can pull it back and staple it here, so we can have an access hole to fill up the fuel tank. It's always a little nerve-wracking. So we're pulling up, and then we're going back.
Real tight.
I think it's finished. How does it look?
Not bad, dude. You want to try to set it in there and see
Yeah.
how it does?
Ooh. Does it not fit again?
Ah!
Oh, dude, the foam.
Ah.
The foam.
Ah! Let me handle it.
Okay. Good as new.
We'll never get it off again.
Well, I think it's time for a ride, isn't it?
I'll clean up and yeah, ready for a ride.
Sweet. All right, we got the golf cart all washed up, and we're gonna go for a quick ride to see if the brakes work, and just to go for a ride. It's a nice night. First 70-degree day in like forever here in North Carolina. Mosquitoes are out. I'm not complaining. This thing is doing pretty good with its open diff.
Yeah.
Going for it. All right, going for it. There's a hole. Oh, I don't know about all this now. Okay. Okay. Oh boy, detour. Oh. So the throttle is broken?
Something's up with the throttle. It's trying to go, but it's like the cable came loose.
Well, it was just a shakedown is all it was.
Yeah. The throttle is working some, but I don't think it's going as far as what it was.
Okay, we'll fix it. Good day today. We went for a little sundown cruise. We got the brakes done. We got the seat upholstered. Looks good. Yeah, good day. We get like 1 or 2 of these 70-degree days in February every year, it seems like, and it's just a godsend, honestly. That's all we have time for in this video. We got to clean up, eat something, and then we got to work on my truck because LMC Truck sent me a bunch of front-end parts for my truck, and we got to go ahead and install those guys, and this is the time we have to do it. But thank you for watching this video, guys. Subscribe for more awesome golf cart, mini bike, go-kart content from us at Cars and Cameras. Leave a thumbs up and help support us in what we do by picking up a t-shirt, hat, sticker, hoodie at cars-cameras.com. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Got anything to add?
I do.
What's
Check
that?
me out at Isaac It'll Be Fine. We went on vacation, and I actually recorded
Scuba diving.
scuba diving.
So much fun.
Check us out.